Okay, alright.
Hi, welcome back to Kelvin's Kitchen. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. On today's episode, we are making whiskey glazed carrots. Coming up. To begin, we need to peel 1 pound of carrots, try to cut them into equal sized pieces. Now, on a large pan over medium-high heat, add in 4 tablespoons of butter. Once the butter has melted, go ahead and place the carrots in. Season with about half a teaspoon of salt or to taste. We're going to cook the carrots for about 5 to 6 minutes in that butter. What is happening right now, the salt is drawing water from the carrots. We're going to let the water evaporate and the carrots will caramelize a little. We're not trying to cook them all the way through. And after 5 minutes, bring the heat down to medium-low. Then add in half a cup of whiskey. Any kind of whiskey would work here. Continue cooking for about 2 to 3 minutes until most of the whiskey evaporates. And after 3 minutes, it will look like you're back to just melted butter. And when that happens, we're going to add in 1/3 of a cup of brown sugar. We're going to mix that in, and that's going to create the most amazing whiskey syrup you ever came across. Continue to cook until they are soft and tender, or as tender as you like them to be. We don't want mushy carrots here, do we? In about 5 more minutes, we should have perfectly cooked carrots. Test with a fork to make sure they are to your liking. They are about done, which at this point we're going to increase the heat to medium-high and thicken the glaze. If you see that your glaze is getting too thick and your carrots are not cooked yet, add in a splash of water. But if your carrots look like they are too soft and too tender and you have too much liquid, turn the heat up. Remember, you must adjust. Things are not set in stones. To finish it off, add in freshly ground black pepper to taste and a pinch of cayenne pepper. These guys are done. All left to do now is to serve them up. You may garnish with fresh thyme if you like. And that is one amazing and delicious vegetable side dish. And there you guys have it, whiskey glazed carrots. Enjoy! Buen provecho! If you guys enjoyed this recipe, please consider subscribing. Leave me some comments down below, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, thanks for watching.